Alright guys, so you locked your keys in your Grand Marquis. I'm going to show you how to get in there. So you can go unlock the vehicle on either side, but I typically just like to come over to the passenger side. I use Access Tools Super Air Jack. You can buy this in the tagged products down in the description there. Or you can go to Home Depot and buy a similar bag out of the door and window aisle. Or you could use like a wood wedge or a plastic wedge like a door stopper. And basically you just slide the bag into the door frame like this here. Work it through the weather stripping. And then close this little valve right here and pump it up. And when you do that, it's going to fill with air and pry that door outward at the top. It's flexible like a diving board, so it won't stay bent like this when we're done. And like I said, you could use a wood wedge or a plastic wedge and just wedge it in there, and that would get the door to open up the same way. And then I use Access Tools Green Reach Tool. This is like a 5-foot long metal rod, 1/4 inch in diameter. It has this little plastic tip on it and a handle here at the end. You can get this also in the tagged products. If you don't have time to wait for one of these, you can buy a metal rod at Home Depot or a hardware store and bend it up. Just make sure you tape up the end of it so it doesn't slip off and crack your windshield or tear up your door panel or anything. Once you get inside, I'm just going to come over here to that inside door handle and just pull it. And when you pull the inside door handle, it will unlock the car, and that's it. And it doesn't mess up the weather stripping or anything. When you shut the door, you can see it's nice and tight and flush. It's not bent or anything, so no air or water will get in there and nobody will know it was ever broken into. So there you go. Alright, there you go. That's how to unlock your Mercury Grand Marquis. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give me a big old thumbs up, drop me a comment, and hopefully you'll see me on the next video. Bye.